Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Suryavi. I am currently studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering of branch E&C. In this module, we are going to discuss about batteries, basic components of batteries and their uses, classification of batteries in that primary batteries, secondary batteries, reserve batteries, and fuel cells, limitations of fuel cells, advantages of fuel cells. Introduction to batteries. A battery is an electrochemical device consisting of one or more electrochemical cells which can be charged with an electric current and discharged whenever they required. Or it is a device that converts chemical energy contained within its active materials directly into electric energy by means of an electrochemical. Example: lead acid battery, nickel cadmium battery, etc. Now we are going to talk about uses of batteries. Batteries are used in calculators, powers of torch, digital watches, tape records and telephones. Basic components of battery. A battery is made up of anode and cathode which are surrounded by their electrolytes. The anode and cathode are separated by separator. The outer surface of the battery is covered by plastic layer, and in modern batteries and ventilator are also provided to escape the accumulated gases during the process. A battery consists of major components like charging, discharging, electrolytes, separator in between electrons. Electrolyte. It provides the medium for transfer of ions inside the cell between the anode and cathode. A solution of acid, alkali or salt having high ionic conductivity is commonly used as electrolyte. Separator. It is used to separate anode and cathode compartments in a battery to prevent internal shorting circuits. The main function of separator is the transfer of ions from anode to cathode and vice versa. It is highly resistant towards the electrolyte. Now we will discuss about batteries. Batteries are classified into three types: primary battery, secondary battery and reserve battery. Primary battery. The battery which cannot be recharged and discarded when the battery is delivered all its electrical energy is called as primary battery. Example: zinc manganese dioxide battery, lutetium manganese dioxide battery, etc. Secondary battery. A battery after discharge can be recharged again by passing the electric current through it in opposite direction. That of discharge is known as secondary battery. Example: lead acid battery, nickel cadmium battery, etc. Reserve batteries. These are the batteries which may be stored in inactive state and are made activated just before they are needed. The activation involving by adding electrolyte, because one component of electrolyte is isolated and stored separately when the battery is required. Example: MgH2O activated battery. Now we will discuss about fuel cells. Fuel cells are the galvanic cells which converted chemical energy of fuels into the electrical energy by the combustion of fuels. At anode, fuel undergoes oxidation. Fuel gives rise to oxidation product plus Ne. At cathode, oxidant gets reduced. Oxidant plus Ne minus gives rise to reduction product. Limitations of fuel cells. Fuel cells produce energy only as long as fuels and oxidants are supplied. Electrodes are very costly. Power output is moderate. Fuels in the form of gas and oxygen need to be stored in tanks under high pressure. Reactions are constantly supplied and products are constantly removed from the cells. Advantages of fuel cells. They are very silently. Their power efficiency is high. The cells have high energy density. They are eco-friendly. Space required for fuel cells is less. Produce harmless bioproducts. Produce direct current for a long time.